welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new around here. Today's video is going to be a quick garden tidy with me and also like an evening quick speed clean of the kitchen and dining room. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already for more videos like this, and let's get on with the video. Enjoy! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa here if you're new around here, and today I'm doing a relaxing clean with me. The other night the room, well, our dining room and kitchen were looking super messy, so I thought I would give it a quick tidy and pop the camera on whilst I was at it. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to clean our garden. So basically every evening we have a cleaning routine in our garden just to make sure that it looks nice for the next day. So I'm going to show you what we do every evening after dinner, and also clean my kitchen as well, and I'll show you what it looks like once that's all done.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me.
Mark's just given me a little helping hand whilst I clean the dining room area, so he's just popping away some dishes. I'm cleaning the dining room and tidying up everything that's on the floor. I also gave it a little sweep, but when I filmed it, the camera wasn't in focus, so I didn't get that for you, unfortunately, but I did give it a sweep like I do every day because it really needs it because of the crumbs and the boys. So Mark's just getting rid of this recycling, and then we're going to pop out in a second once I've finished cleaning all of the surfaces in the kitchen.
It's 90 degrees without me. I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold.
Okay, so let's go in the garden. There's lots of stuff just left outside all of the time. So my cardigan's out there, cushions are all over the place because the boys like to play with them and use them as like stepping stones when they're having challenges. So this is the little area here in the playhouse. There's just stuff everywhere and not in its rightful place. So what I'm going to do first is put all the cushions back on my little sofa set, and then I'm just going to give everything a wipe down and a tidy up basically. This is what we do every evening. I also like to wind the awning back in just in case it's like windy overnight. So what I'll do is I'll take that out every morning and then we put it back in overnight.
You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby.
One thing I don't do that often is clean this table down properly, and I gave it a wipe down with some Zaflora, diluted Zaflora, just a kitchen towel, and oh my god, it was so dirty. So I have to do this more often. We just don't eat out here very much at the moment, but I'm definitely going to be doing it much more because look at how dirty it is in a second.
I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you.
I'm just going to give the patio a quick sweep because there are a few little leaves and things like that on the patio, so I'm going to get rid of all of that, and then I'm going to move over to the other area and move the slide and put all of that back into its rightful place.
I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold.
This playhouse has become a bit of a kind of storage place at the moment for all of the boys' garden toys. I really need to get in there and organise it properly, but for now I'm just kind of putting everything back in there because I know that the next day the boys are just going to take everything back out. I'm also just gathering all of the footballs, putting them in the football goal, which is another thing that we kind of need to replace really. I want to get a black goal. If anyone's got any recommendations of any good goals, then let me know, because Vinny got this for I think his birthday quite a few years ago now, but it's super rusty and it needs an update. But anyway, this is what everything is looking like now. It's all nice and presentable for the next day and just a lot neater and tidier. There's lots of chalk on the wall there, but that's what the boys play with. This is the other little corner here, looks really cute. And this is the playhouse area as well, so everything is put away. Renzo has now joined us outside and he's helping Mark water all of the plants. He loves doing this in the evening, so he's just helping us there. And then that is the back of the house. As you can see, the garden looks really pretty there. I need to put some more flowers in that plant to where Renzo is. Let me know if you've got any flower recommendations for south-facing gardens, because that area gets a lot of sun, but I would love some pretty flowers there. So that is the garden there. As you can see, it looks much neater now. And then this is in the kitchen. So I've just cleaned all of the surfaces, basically washed all the dishes and put them away. This just makes the kitchen look so much neater and tidier instantly. And then I've also wiped down obviously all of the surfaces. So that is that done in there. And then in the dining room, again, I've just taken everything off of the table, wiped it down, give it a good sweep. And that is pretty much how we deal with the dining room and kitchen at the end of the day. Everything gets a good sweep and a good wipe down. Here is a quick final view of the garden, looking much nicer. I've got a video on our garden if you want to check that out. I'll link that one down below for you. So it's the next day now and I wanted to show you how I clean my windows. So I'm using an e-cloth and some water. I've got the e-cloth window cleaning set. This is so good, guys. You literally all you need is water. And I'm just spraying all of the windows and wiping them down. This leaves the windows looking smear free and super shiny. So definitely watch to see how shiny they look at the end.
You're so damn cold. No flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees.
And then finally, I just want to go outside and do the patio doors as well. So I'm going to do the same method and use the e-cloth and water.
In the bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is so...
Finally, before I go, I wanted to show you this gorgeous artwork that I was kindly sent. So this is by Rustic By Heart. I found her on Etsy actually, and then she offered to send me some pieces. So I wanted to share them with you. She didn't ask me to share them, but they are just made so beautifully. I thought it was really worth the mention. So this is the little quote that I chose. The most wasteful of all days is one without laughter. You guys know that we love to laugh in our family, and look how beautifully this is made. Let me just turn it around. It's literally like solid wood. You've got this piece here so you can hang it up really nicely. It's also signed beautifully there, and I want to show you the other two pieces I got as well. This is the first piece, which I think is just so beautiful. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this one yet. I want it for this room. I might put it up here or possibly up on this wall, I'm not sure yet, but that is that bit. And then I have these cute little faux books and it says Our Happy Place. How cute is that? They are so adorable, just comes like so. And then there's one more sign in my laundry room which I want to show you because it is so cool. And this here is the piece in my laundry room and it says our home has endless love and laundry. The laundry is never ending in our house, so I thought this was a perfect quote for this room. I thought I'd give her a little mention because they have been made so beautifully. I'm going to link it down in the description below if you want to go check out her Etsy store and also her Instagram. But I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it was so beautiful. Okay, so that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching our quick evening routine of our garden clean. Let me know what other videos you would like to see down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what